guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into part 2 of this Kmart shop with me, where I'm checking out the latest and greatest products available at Kmart this August. You can check out part 1 by clicking the link in the top right hand corner. If you're enjoying these videos, make sure to give it a like and subscribe, and hit that bell if you want to get notifications for all the latest videos. I saw this orthopedic pet bed that looks and feels really high quality. It has a really nice thick memory foam base which feels firm but still really comfortable and soft. I really like this sort of armchair design, and I think this would be really nice and comfy for any dog, but especially an older dog that might need a little bit of extra support. I also came across this water hyacinth cat tower that has a cozy little nook inside and also has a bed on top here. They've definitely skimped a bit on the cushions that go with this one though. They don't really feel that great if I'm honest. They're fairly thin, kind of flimsy, and with the pet beds aside, I will say that I do actually quite like the design and look of this cat tower. This mushroom cat scratcher is so bloody cute. This is a super fun little number. It totally reminds me of Toad from Mario Land. It has this cord trim here which makes up the scratching post part. This one is brand new, just landed, and is a pretty good price at $25. This cat scratcher stool next door serves the exact same purpose, but it has a very different look to it. It's got a much more sophisticated design. I really like the simple, natural look, and I do like that the top is flat, so it doubles as a little stool. This one is a little more expensive at $29, but I do really like both of these designs, even though they're very different from one another. I also came across these portable pet steps, which I just thought was such a great idea, especially for little puppies or little kittens, or even for older pets that might have a little bit of arthritis or just a little bit of difficulty getting up onto the couch or getting up onto the bed. This is going to make life a lot easier for those older pets in your life. This no mess top entry cat litter box I'm pretty sure is new. I actually couldn't find it on the Kmart website, but I'm interested in this type of litter box design because our cats are always tracking litter out of the box, and this design helps with that because the cat needs to jump out of the box onto this tray, which would then help get the bits of litter off the feet before they actually jump onto the floor. It has a nice deep tray for the litter so your cats can comfortably do their business, and Kmart have also just released litter tray liners that go with this tray as well. Moving on to the basket section, I saw this extra large twist weave basket sitting on the ground, which I do rather like. It actually looks and feels really quite well made, and it is a really generous large size with handles on both sides as well. It's big enough that you could use it to store a couple of blankets in, or you could use it as a laundry basket, or you could use it for towels. These ones are $45 a pop, which I think is actually really not a bad price at all for a basket of this particular size. This was another basket that caught my eye. Again, this one feels really high quality, and it's got a bit of a cool kind of organic, rustic look and feel to it, with this scooped edge along the top here and handles that are actually part of the basket rather than handles that stick out on the side. I do quite like that one as well. This large square basket with the double handles is an absolute mammoth of a blanket. Seriously guys, this thing is huge. You could store a massive amount of stuff in here. I really like this one. I feel like this could be really good for storing laundry or kids' toys or something like that, and it's not a bad price at all for the size at $55 each. I also quite like the look of this white rope weave basket. It's got a very different look and feel to it from those other reed style baskets. It's much softer and it doesn't hold its shape as much. I like these little braided details in here as well. These just add a little bit of added interest. This little wooden catch-all bowl is super cute. I am loving this. Of course, I love the little legs on the bottom here. This lovely natural piece is super versatile. You could use it for jewelry in the bedroom, or you could use it as a key dish, or you could even use it in the kitchen for your salt or garlic and chilies or something like that. I thought this set of 3 pebbled vases with these muted natural stony tones is rather chic. They've got that kind of natural organic shape to them as well. These look really nice as a little set, or you could split them up and use them as individual vases. This bamboo floor caddy is a nice little piece for some extra bathroom storage. If you know me, I love all things bamboo, so of course I am loving this one as well. I'm also really liking the slatted design on this. It looks really nice and sturdy and not a bad price at all at 29 bucks. This faux rattan over the toilet shelf unit is brand new, just landed. These shelf units that go over the toilet are such a genius idea. It's such a great way to make use of that dead space above the toilet, especially if you've got a really small bathroom with limited storage space. This would also be really good for a toilet that has its own little room that isn't actually part of the main bathroom. Another new item in the faux rattan bathroom range is this towel ladder. Faux rattan is a much better choice for the bathroom than natural rattan because it's going to be much more resistant to moisture and water than natural rattan. I think this one would also definitely work as a bit of bedroom decor for some scarves or some blankets. We have a bamboo one that my partner uses to put clothes on that would otherwise just be on the floor. This slimline bamboo trolley on wheels is another good little bathroom storage option. I also thought you could use this one maybe as like a little pot plant stand as well, and not necessarily saying you have to use it in the bathroom. Another new one, this 3-tiered faux rattan corner shelf for the bathroom. This is a compact little shelf and it is keeping in style with the rest of the faux rattan products in this bathroom range with the simple rounded arch design. It's a nice little addition to the range, but it is a little bit more on the pricey side at $59. This tall slatted bamboo shelf has heaps of storage, and I love that it has this little slatted door on the bottom portion so that you can hide away anything that you might not want in sight. But I do like that it also has some open storage on top for items that you might need easy access to, and this also serves as a great place to do some pretty bathroom styling and display some nice plants or candles or something like that. This bamboo unit is another one that is designed to go over the toilet, and again it has doors that you can use to hide stuff that you don't necessarily want on display. This one is a little bit chunkier than the rattan one that we looked at before, but it also offers significantly more storage. I thought this towel rail was a really great find. It has that sleek, minimalist kind of industrial look to it, but mainly I'm loving how functional this is. Not only does it have the 4 rails for towels, but it also has these little arches that you can use as hooks on each side, and it also has a shelf on the bottom that you can use for some extra storage too. This bamboo laundry hamper isn't new, but I've not seen it here in stock before. I really like the simple look and design, and I also really like that it has a double hamper inside so that you can separate your laundry out. I already have a laundry hamper that has 3 different sections, but I'm thinking of getting something like this for towels and bath mats. This hamper with the 3 drawers certainly isn't new, but I really like the 3 drawer separation on this bin, with one bin larger than the others as well. And I also really like that it has the drawer feature, which is a little different to the traditional open top hamper because you can use the top for extra storage. It's a great option if you've got limited storage space, but you still want a decent hamper that separates your laundry out. I thought this mobile ironing board with the laundry sorter was a really smart idea. I don't think I've ever seen something like this before. I personally don't iron any of my clothes, so I wouldn't use something like this myself, but for any of you diligent ironers out there, this could be a really handy one for you guys. One thing to take note of though is the height. It's only 88 centimeters, so it's not as tall or adjustable as a traditional ironing board. Another smart idea that I haven't seen before was this magnetic laundry caddy. My washing machine is set into the counter, so it's not something that I could use, but I thought this was a nifty little storage option for easy access to washing powder or pegs, or you could even use it as a little rubbish bin for when you're emptying pockets out when you're doing laundry. And it's also not a bad price at $9 as well. These plastic laundry containers are yet another great idea, thank you Kmart. Now these usually have a lid that doubles up as a measuring cup, but you'll notice both of these are missing their cups, which is probably why they are still here. You can use these for laundry powder or liquid, and I've even seen people use these in their pantries for storing cereal and grains and stuff like that as well. These also come in a smaller size, but these are super popular and there is none left here today. Now looking at some furniture items, I saw this upholstered chair, which is really quite a simple, basic design that looks like it'll go well with a lot of different styles. It's a total bargain at only 75 bucks, and you could easily zhuzh this up if you wanted to by painting the frame or making a new cover for it, but I like the simplicity of this one and I'm also loving the price. This Marley lounge chair with the wicker frame is another nice little number that has just landed at Kmart. This one is $149, which sounds a little exy, but it is actually really cheap when you're comparing it to similar chairs on the market. IKEA have a chair that is very similar in style, and that one is 550 bucks, so this one is a really good price at $149. I'm also really enjoying this little Scandi-inspired side table, which has also just landed at Kmart. It's got that lovely pale wood look finish for the top and the white steel frame, which is obviously very Scandi in style. They have a few new items in this Scandi range. I love the Scandi look. I love the simple, fresh look it brings to a space. This bedside table is also part of the Scandi range. I love the storage with this one. There's enough storage space here so that you can keep the tabletop clear to really keep in style with that Scandi look. This chest of drawers is another new addition to the range. The design of this is so simple and sophisticated. I really love the frame down the bottom that raises the unit off the ground. I think it adds a really nice design element to this otherwise fairly simple piece. I'm really loving this range, guys. It's a great way to achieve that beautiful Scandi look at a really affordable price. This bamboo storage bench has also just landed, guys. They've released so many new items this August launch. I'm always loving things that serves more than one useful function, and this does just that. This is a beautiful little bench with the added bonus of a huge amount of storage underneath. I'd probably prefer it if it was solid so that you could hide the stuff inside, but I guess being able to see the stuff inside through the slats means you're less likely to forget that it's there, which can happen sometimes with hidden storage. I'm loving this ribbed side table. I love the natural look of this, and it is a really decent size as well. This would lend itself really nicely to some of that new DIY furniture paint too, if you like the look of this but you're not so crash hot on that natural wood look finish. I personally love the natural wood finish. I'm all about this one. This kids rattan look bedhead is on special at the moment. I love this one, guys. It looks like a little sun peeking out from behind the bed, or even a little halo. It's only $19 at the moment, which is an absolute bargain, and you could even maybe put two of these together to make a cool double arched bed head for a double bed. Kmart's boucle range is as popular as ever, and it can be hard to get your hands on these super popular items, but I did see this gorgeous boucle ottoman at my local, and there was even one left. I was so tempted, but I am really on a budget at the moment, so unfortunately I had to pass on this one this time. But let me tell you guys, it was not an easy thing to do. I saw this kid pretend to take a bite out of this ottoman, which I just thought was so funny because I totally get it. This looks like an enormous marshmallow, and if I were a kid, I probably would have done the exact same thing. Here we have another just landed item that I am absolutely loving. This small white kitchen island is super gorge. This would be an absolute awesome option for some extra kitchen storage, but also some added bench space, especially if you like the idea of having a kitchen island but you don't necessarily have a lot of space. This is a good compact option, and it has a food safe countertop as well. Absolutely loving this one, guys, and super affordable at 79 bucks. I am all about this dish rack with the wooden handles. Function meets beauty right here, guys. This has got to be one of the most stylish dish racks I think I have ever seen. Dish racks are usually such an eyesore, but this one is so pretty. I think that the black is so class, and the wooden handles really help take this dish rack to the next level and really elevates the whole look. I couldn't believe how cheap this 8-piece container set was, especially because it has these beautiful bamboo lids. This entire set was only $20, and you get a range of different sizes, even a big one for pasta. I will definitely be back for these when I'm not quite so broke. I'm not always big on the mugs at Kmart, but I couldn't go past this pale two-toned ceramic mug. It's just got such a beautiful, unique shape to it, and I'm loving the color palette on this. It is a very, very pale pink with a white dipped bottom. They have it in a blue as well, but the pink is where my heart is. It is absolutely stunning. I thought this smoothie jar was a clever idea for an easy way to have your smoothies or iced coffees or something on the go. It's microwave and dishwasher safe, and it comes with 2 lids and 2 straws and a straw cleaner as well as the jar. They also have it advertised here for $8, but looking online, it is actually advertised for $4.50. So if your store is selling these for $8, be sure to show them the price of it online, because that is quite a significant price difference. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like, guys, or drop a comment down below. I absolutely love hearing from you guys. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider hitting that big red subscribe button. It is absolutely free and it goes a long way in helping to support the channel. As always, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!